everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about the in-the-shop diesel solutions map sensor for your 6.0 Power Stroke. Why do we need this? Why does it look different than OEM? Well, why you need this? Most 6.0s in today's world have been either tuned, upgraded, modded in some way, shape, or form. Let's be real. That's what you bought the thing for, was to get some performance out of it, and you know the stock turbo is just not gonna do it. You reach out to us, you get yourself a KC Turbos, we send you a KC Stage 1 or Stage 2 with a 10 blade or 13 blade, whichever route you want to go, the jet fire, the ball bearing, and you realize that, and then you get a tune for it, and you realize, hey, why am I only showing the same boost pressure, max, like only 28 pounds of boost max on my dash? Well, come to find out, your 6.0 Power Stroke can only read 30 psi of boost pressure at sea level elevation. So if you live higher than sea level, you technically lose boost on the dash because of that, because it's a calculation that it can't see. So we reached out to Nathan over in the shop, kind of talked about some product ideas. This is one that I thought, and he thought, was a great idea to upgrade and add to any 6.0 Power Stroke, and I agree with him. With this guy right here, we'll be able to see up to 85 pounds of boost at sea level, realistically, 85.3. Okay, it's a 100 psi sensor, but of course you got to take into consideration barometric pressure. Well, this is all a plug-and-play kit. Comes with a harness, it plugs right into here, plugs into your OEM harness right there, and then from there, you plug this hose right over to your intake manifold. It's as simple as it gets. It even comes with a clamp and directions. In the directions, it talks about what is needed in the tuning side. That's where you reach out to Blessed Performance or any one of the other tuners out there, the reputable 6.0 tuners out there, and talk with them about how to dial in your tune. Yes, in order to run this, in order to see true boost on your dash or your edge or your SCT device, you're gonna have to get the tune revised. It's really not that difficult. It's a simple revision, and any tuning company out there can handle it for you. We can, or any one of the other ones out there. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions about that. Where is this needed though? Well, like I said, really any 6.0 that's been modded, you're not gonna see true boost on the dash. Do you need to see it? Well, no, but it's not a bad thing to see. It's never a bad idea to know the health of your truck. We've talked about this in other videos when it comes to monitoring and why we recommend it. So if you're making lots of power, this is great for data logging. If you're just towing all the time, it's great for paying attention to make sure that you're not having stuck vanes, high EGTs, anything like that. It's really good for that stuff, to pay attention to those things. And it's a plug and play kit. With this kit, like I said, you can see up to 85 pounds of boost, which is a win. That's a lot of boost for a 6.0. The one thing that I will say is, obviously your dash can only read to 40. When you plug this in, yes, your dash will read up to 40, and with the tune as well. But your edge and your SCT can keep going past that. And that's where, if you're making more than 40, you're gonna have to have an edge or an SCT to make this function properly as a monitoring tool. All of this is made here in America, right in, I think it's Maine? Right in Nathan's shop. We're gonna say right in Nathan's shop. Somewhere in the Northeast, I can't remember his address. Anyways, TIG welded, cut, laser cut, bent to the perfect shape. This is designed, you take your stock map sensor off, you've got 3 bolts right here, 3 10mm nuts, put this on right there, run the hose over your intake. It's as simple as it gets. From there, you click a couple buttons on your SCT device, load a tune into your truck, boom, done. And then from there, you can see true boost that your turbo is putting out. If you have questions about what kind of boost you should be seeing, or questions about this, or what you should be monitoring on your 6.0, we would love to chat with you. We've got other videos, and you're also welcome to give us a call anytime, 1-800-577-2698. We enjoy chatting with our customers. You're the reason we're doing this. You're the reason we're in business, and we appreciate you. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, check out all of our other social medias. Be sure to click like, subscribe, and follow. Without you guys, we couldn't do this, and we really appreciate it. Look forward to working with Nathan to bring out a lot more new products. We've got some great ideas for 2024. You're not gonna wanna miss them. And yeah, I'll leave you at a cliffhanger. So make sure you guys follow along, because we got some cool stuff coming out.